Hey, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, DOM manipulation. The DOM, or Documents Object Model, lets us interact with the structure of our web pages using JavaScript. We'll explore how to create, update, and remove elements dynamically. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing we need to do is access an element on the page. For this, we'll use the getElementsById method. Let me show you how. Okay, so here, I'm declaring a variable called heading and assigning it the value of document.getElementsById main heading. This means we're telling JavaScript to go into the document, think of it as the whole web page, and find the element with the ID main heading. The document object represents the web page, and getElementsById is the method we use to fetch a specific element by its unique ID. Now that we have our heading, let's modify its text content. Watch this. Here, I'm accessing the text content property of the heading element and setting it the welcome to JavaScript text. This replaces whatever text was inside the heading with our new string. The text content property allows us to read or change the text inside an element. Next, let's create a new element and add it to the page. Let's make a paragraph. So here, I'm declaring a variable called paragraph and assigning it the value of document.createElementsP. This line creates a new p element, basically a paragraph tag, but it's not visible on the page yet because we haven't added it to the DOM. Now, I'm setting the text content of our paragraph to this is a new paragraph added with JavaScript. This means the paragraph now has some text inside it. Finally, we use document.body.appendChild paragraph to add the paragraph to the end of the body section of our page. The appendChild method is how we attach elements to the DOM. Let's make this paragraph stand out a bit. We'll add some styles to it. Here, I'm using the style property to change the color of the paragraph text to blue and the font size to 20 pixels. The style property lets us directly modify the sizes of an element. Awesome! We have just explored how to manipulate the DOM by accessing elements, changing their content, creating a new ones, and even styling them. This is just the beginning of what you can do with JavaScript and the DOM. And the next video, we'll dive into event handling, where we'll make our web pages interactive. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.